What's going on, guys? Coming back at you with another video today. Today I'm putting some new seats in my cousin's Camaro, and I guess I'm gonna go through the process of putting them in there. So stay tuned, check it out, and let's get it done. So guys, I already installed new dash pad. Well, both me and my cousin installed it from eBay for $189. It is like a little blue tint. It's not like an overlay pad. It's on eBay, $189. I will put the link in the description for you guys can see that, check it out, and probably get it for your 4thgen LT1 93 to 96. So yeah, all right, let's go get these seats. Oh yeah, that's the old stuff. Oh yeah, check that out. Yep, the old seats, they're coming out. So guys, these are the seats I'm putting in, some recent seats he had bought, pretty cheap. eBay. I know I heard a lot of stuff about eBay seats, but he don't drive his car every day, so hey, he's got a Dodge Charger to drive every day. And the things you would need to install these seats in an F-body, you would need adapter brake brackets to install them. They come with the slides, but the slides, you know, it's not the same dimension as an F-body seats. So let's get cracking, take these seats out, set up the new seats, put the new brackets installed on them, and get them in the car and see how they look. Let's do it. So guys, what you want to do to explain people that hasn't taken, yeah, it's kind of dirty in here, we're gonna clean it up. So it's 4 bolts, 1, 2, and they's 13 millimeters. And then on this side, you have to take the trim. You have to take the trim off to access the 2 bolts over on the bolt on the back side. So, and it's a trim piece. It should be trim pieces in the front with a Phillip head, and you take them out, and then you have access to the bolts in here. And then before you take them out, before you take the seat out, the connection, you want to disconnect it, and that's it. Well, nah, you could also, if the seat got the bracket too, you have to take this bracket off to take the seat out. And with his car, the way the seats are designed, I'm running the seat belt through, so I'm taking the seat belt off down here. It should be like a T45 or a T50, I can't remember right now. So let me take this seat out, and I'm gonna take the passenger out, and then I'm gonna put the new ones in. Well, explain how to put the new ones together. I'm just prepping to get the seats in. So let's get to it and take these seats out right quick. Both seats out. It's pretty dirty in there. We're gonna clean it up. So now we're gonna set up the seats. You will need extra hardware to bolt these seats in, I believe. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I'm not sure if it comes with the kit, but we're gonna see. Ari, tell them happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Oh, look at all that candy on your face. So they did supply us with nuts and bolts with spacers, where you can bolt the slides on. This is for the slides, but you will need power for the actual brackets, in which I do have hardware. Let me go get that. Spacer and screws. The spacers, well, I think it's the correct way to go. You trying to help too? So with this other track, same thing. This track doesn't have the what's it called? It's just free spin. I mean free slide. Not too hard. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, let me explain this to you. The flat ones, when you get these brackets, this is the driver's side. And you also want to test fit in the car first before you put it on the seat, before you know which way you put it. Nope, I can't remember. It's been a minute, y'all. Look like this. It goes like this. So, make sure I got it right. The 3 with the little flat tabs go to the front and the offset tabs go to the back. So you gotta remember that. So it'll go like this. Fold it on here. Like so. Now we just need hardware to fold it in. And we have to go to the store and get some hardware. So we're gonna go to the store and we'll be right back. So guys, I went to the store and got hardware for the seats. So this is what you gotta do. It doesn't come with the hardware, which sucks. Here. Gonna get this together, get the other seat together and put it in the car and let you guys see the final results. So let's get it. As I just got finished installing the seats, it got dark, but yeah, so I got it done. Put the seat belt through. Check them out. The iPhones, yeah. Oh yeah. Look, let me get the light so y'all can see better. Yeah, it look good. Now he got black seats to go in here to make it, you know, look better. But yeah, with the yellow and the black. Look pretty good. Then new dash. Let's see. Yeah. eBay, guys. eBay for that dash. I'm getting me one pretty soon. Tired of the fabric, but you know, it look good, but I just hate cleaning it. But yeah, got the suede. So yeah, there go the happy customer. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. We got the seats installed. It looked great with the black and yellow. And then the new dash pad, which I'm so jealous about because I need one. But comment, subscribe, like if you like this video. Please, I want to hear y'all feedback about video ideas and stuff. I will be making some driving videos pretty soon. I actually got an idea with ride-alongs I'm with a little twist. So guys, y'all stay prepared for that. It's coming up pretty soon. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.